I mean, that's the way the game is. You know, it's not because we played against Montreal that it was more tactical. Trust me, against Columbus it was very tactical, kind of boring at times. But that's the game. That's the type of stuff you have to go through during the season. That's just the way it is. You know. Nobody will remember how the game was today or how the game was in Columbus. You remember the score line, and at the moment we are doing well in terms of getting points. So that's what I have to think about.
How does the challenge here compared to what you've experienced in other clubs, throughout the world?
Oh man, sorry to skip on that one, but I don't know if I'm answering to this type of question when you're in a menace.
Thierry, I was wondering, in 3 matches, including tonight, you've scored 6 against Montreal. Do you get up a lot more because it is French-speaking Montreal? I'm trying to make this diplomatic as possible.
No, listen, look, I don't know, sometimes it does work like that. Sometimes, I said to you, I never scored against Kansas City, I never scored against Salt Lake, and I had opportunities. And sometimes the ball hit the post, you don't know why I do everything well and it doesn't go in. Sometimes you do stuff and it goes in. I don't know. I really actually don't know why, but I'll take it.
Yeah. How important was it for the team that guys like Tim Cahill and Juninho were playing both sides of the ball, were doing the dirty work defensively also?
I mean, that's how it is. I mean, Juninho is very good on the ball, but as you can see, also he can put his foot in. And I mean, you guys all know about Tim Cahill. I don't have to describe the guy, and I'm happy for him that he's scoring goals at the moment. Although I always thought that he was playing well for us, but you know how it is when you don't score. People always go like you should do more or whatever. We didn't think that at the end of the day, and I like the way we are sharing goals also this season. Everybody's getting on the score sheet, so it's good for us. So it's not only that, Eric is working extremely hard. Johnny still tonight was outstanding. I mean, the way he was running, tracking back, creating on the side, I thought it was tremendous. Kosuke also didn't play for a very long time. It's not easy just to put someone out there and play against Map, and I see they're very tricky players, and Eve did the same thing. So I guess overall it was a team effort tonight.